Hi, this is Rob Campagna for Rob's Guitar School, and welcome to our Shred Machine program, which is a series of videos dedicated to teaching you how to shred as fast as possible in the shortest amount of time possible. So this is the introduction video to our beginner series. And what do you learn in the beginner series? The beginner series covers all of what you need to know if you are new to the electric guitar. You're going to learn all the fundamentals of shredding. You're going to learn what guitar you need and how to hold the pick. So guitar like this, how to hold the pick, what kind of, you're going to learn the proper picking techniques for shredding, We're going to talk about, economy picking, which is a big thing. We're going to learn how to read tablature. And we're going to learn shredding warm-up exercises. To get those fingers limbered up. So that's going to be awesome. We're also going to learn our basic arpeggio shapes for sweeping. Things like that. We'll also learn our 5 pentatonic boxes. This is a really, really important stuff. Every shredder knows his pentatonics. And then we have what I call our speed scale shapes. These are major and minor scale shapes that you need to know. There's 7 of them, and so you'll learn that in this program too. And so on and so forth. There's 7 of those. You also learn other shredding techniques like hammer-ons, pull-offs, combinations of hammer-ons and pull-offs, slides, bending. Every shredder needs to bend. Tapping. And also harmonics. And learning how to play with a metronome. So here we have 80 beats per minute right here. That was 8 notes, by the way. And also, when we learn how to play in different keys and different modes, which is really important. We don't have songs that are always just in the same key. As a shredder, you need to be able to play in all of them, and you'll learn that in the Shred Machine program. And you learn everything that you need in this beginner program to take our Shred Machine programs. So after I've said all of that, what's better for you? Is this the beginner video? Do you need to have this as a primer to kind of get you started? Or do you already know the techniques that I was talking about? You view yourself as an intermediate or advanced player. And if that's the case, go to our Shred Machine program here on Udemy. If not, stay right here with us. Have fun and get ready to learn how to shred. All right, well that's it. I'm Rob Campagna for Rob's Guitar School, signing out here, and get ready to learn. All right, take care.